Okay guys, today we're going to make a real quick foldable. This should be a review for you from middle school, but what you want to do is take your yellow sheet of paper, cut it out, and then you want to make these flaps like this, and then you have your white sheet of paper. You want to do the same thing. If you haven't done that yet, stop it and let's cut it and then come back. All right, I'm going to start with it folded down like this. What I've done, taken the two inner flaps, folded it in, and then I have the top and bottom flaps folded on the outside. And I want to name my quadrants. My quadrants are a quadrant that starts with a Q, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Again, we're using Roman numerals, and this goes on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I want to open it up to the middle. When we're in quadrant 1, both my X and my Y are positive. When I'm in quadrant 2, my X is negative, my Y is positive. When I'm in quadrant 3, they're both negative. And when they're in 4, my X is positive, my Y is negative. All right, so we're to that point. If you need to pause to catch up, just pause. And then I want to open it out. And I'm going to start right up here. This is and let's go ahead and glue our coordinate plane down where we can see this. Remember, dot, 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 not a lot. So I'm just going to do the four corners because I am going to write on this. All right, so I have this down. This quadrant is a positive Y. This is a positive X. And if I go positive X, positive Y, they're both positive. This one is a positive Y, but a negative X. This is still a negative X. And this is a positive X. And because we are below the x-axis, this is a negative Y and a negative Y. All right, this point here has special meaning. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to highlight it just where you can see it because it is that special. This is the origin. This is where you begin counting from when you plot points. It is the origin and it is 0, 0. So it has no signs because it's just a center. The vertical line is the y-axis. And the horizontal line is the x-axis. So this is the look of our coordinate plane foldable. Again, this is probably a review from you from middle school, but I wanted you to have this just where you can always refer back to it. And to close it, we close it the centers, quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to glue this on page 13 of our IMBs if you're in Miss Gardner's class. Make sure you label it in your table of contents. Thank you.